What's up, guys? Welcome back to Soul Status for another review. Today we're going to be going over the Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. So make sure to like, subscribe, follow us on all social media to keep up with us here at the shop, and let's get right into the video.
Let's do it, guys.
So they got this different box. It's like, it looks kind of like a basic cardboard box. There's no Yeezy branding on it really.
Yeah, it's a little weird. Just
some Adidas branding here on the bottom. You got your size tag with a barcode here on the front, and then it opens over the top. And that's when you see some branding inside the box. So these come wrapped in tissue paper
yeah,
that we're used to seeing.
We saved you guys the noise and the rumbling for the review.
But there's two pieces of tissue paper. They're each wrapped individually. And then inside the box is where you see all the branding.
You get the size tag right here, the whole Adidas front box that you're used to seeing, the foam. It's pretty much inside out.
So these things release at a retail price point of $75 plus tax and title out the door. You're looking at probably what, $85 or something?
Yeah, something like that.
What do you think of these?
I think they're sweet. I mean, from the first time they released, I loved them. I like what they did with the color and the marble effect. I'm impressed. Kanye, you got my thumbs up of approval.
Yeah, so they came out with these ones alongside the other colorway, which is the sand colorway. Kind of similar. The sand is more similar to the original colorway that came out. What is it called? Ararat?
I forget
the
all the
Ararat?
names. Yeah.
Ararat? Yeah. But I prefer this one, I think, over the sand just because they're unique. Like, I think that the marbling is different on every pair. I feel like dirt wouldn't show up as, it wouldn't be as noticeable with the breaking it up.
For sure.
Yeah, I mean, if you got even dirty bottoms, like it just kind of is going to be blended in with the marbling of the shoe.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like almost like a yellow and then a gray, would you say? It's like a dark gray and a yellow.
Yeah,
mixed
more like
in
a
there.
cream.
Cream
and a...
Yeah, I guess it does look like a cream.
The bottoms are cool. I feel like you would slip so easily, if you were just in like...
So they do have some of these little traction rivets here on the bottom. You got a bunch of like little air vents. But yeah, overall I think it's a great shoe. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of this shoe. If you copped, if you're passing on them, if you're buying them for retail or resale. Let us know in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you guys.